Now that we've explored the basics of functions, let's dive deeper into some advanced concepts that will take your programming skills to the next level. Whether it's understanding return values, managing the scope of variables, or working with default parameters, mastering these concepts will help you write more efficient and maintainable code. First, let's revisit the concept of return values. A function doesn't just perform a task, it can also send data back to the calling code. Here's an example. Def calculate underscore score points multiplier. Return points asterisk multiplier. When you call this function like so, final underscore score equals calculate underscore score 10-2. The result, which is 20, is stored in final underscore score. This allows you to use the result later for more calculations or display it when needed. Next up is scope, an important concept when working with variables inside functions. Understanding local and global scope will help you avoid unexpected bugs. Local scope. Variables declared inside a function are local, meaning they can't be accessed from outside that function. For example, def my underscore function, local underscore var, I'm local. Print local underscore var. If you try to print local underscore var outside the function, it will raise an error. Global scope. On the other hand, variables declared outside of any function are global and can be accessed anywhere in the code, even inside functions. But be cautious when modifying global variables inside functions. It can lead to unintended side effects. Another powerful feature of functions is default parameters. These allow you to assign a default value to a parameter. So if it's not provided, your function will still work with the default. Here's an example. Def greet name equals stranger. Printf hello name. When you call greet without passing an argument, the function will print hello stranger. But if you pass a value like greet Alice, it will print hello Alice. This makes your functions more flexible. Sometimes you need to pass an unknown number of arguments to a function. Python allows this with asterisk args for positional arguments and chords for keyword arguments. Asterisk args. This lets you pass multiple positional arguments into a function. Here's an example. Def add underscore numbers asterisk args. Return some args. Calling add underscore numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 will return 10 as it adds all the past numbers. Chords. Similarly, you can pass multiple keyword arguments using chords. For example, def print underscore info asterisk asterisk chords. For key, value in chords.items. Print f key value. When you call print underscore info, name equals Alice, age equals 30, it prints name Alice, age 30. This is useful when you don't know in advance how many arguments your function will need. Lastly, let's talk about docstrings. Writing clear documentation for your functions is essential for readability and maintainability. A docstring is a string that explains what the function does, placed right after the function definition. Here's an example. Def calculate underscore area radius. Calculate the area of a circle given its radius. Return 3.14 asterisk radius 2. This docstring helps anyone using the function understand its purpose without having to read the entire code. You can access the docstring using underscore underscore doc underscore underscore like so. Print calculate underscore area underscore underscore doc underscore underscore.